It's my very first Stitch Fix. So these are Via Bleu Rosina Laser Cut Wedge. I have them in a size 8. I'll tell you sizes only because I researched for this before I ordered it for a while. And sometimes people don't tell sizes, and I'm like, I want to know, like, I don't know why I want to know, but I like to know the size. So they're suede, which is really nice because that means they're going to cross over into fall. I really like that because like the booty look. They're a short heel, so that means they're going to be super comfortable for me to wear. A lot of flexibility, padding in the toe, heavy weight to it. So here's my patterns and colors sticking out, guys. I'm just going to set it right down here. Oh, that's the shipping bag in the box to ship it back. So that's really cool. Oh, I like how everything's wrapped. Like, happy birthday to me. It's not my birthday anyway. So, unwrap it and see here now. This should be the one of the top, or no, this is going to be the Romper. Okay, Rompers can be iffy for me, so hopefully this one is like, you know, perfect. And you'll see things better once they're on. Oh, I can tell you right now, I really like the material. Super lightweight. This is in a large. You can see it's got the shorts. Like this is, I'm holding it at the waistband to kind of give you maybe an idea of length and size of the bottom part of the shorts. It does look like the top just hangs open, but I'm okay with that. I'm wearing a sports bra, but when I wear a regular bra, I can always get some little tapes. Ah, there's pockets, you know, which is always super nice. It seems like there's a double lining. Yeah, the shorts are double lined, but I believe the top, yeah, is just like single lined. So I like that to give it more breathability on the top. I really like these watercolor flowers too. So it's by Kaileigh. And I'm not sure if that's how you say that, but I'll go ahead and add those things. So we'll see it when it's on. I can definitely see it's very sheer, so it's going to be very lightweight, and I love that. Sheer is my friend. I have no problem with sheer. I have no problem with like risque or anything. So, all right, I'm liking this. This is different than I thought it would look in person. Definitely has the like a boho feel. With me, it's just going to really see of how they sit with off the shoulder tops. It's all kind of depends on how it just will sit on me when I put it on. I like the length. It's a little bit shorter of a length since I wear high-waisted things, and the tie will be a new thing for me. I have no tops that tie at all, so that's going to be interesting to see how that looks. Obviously with the white shorts, and since there's two tops, and I can tell right now, I like the feel of this material better. This is like, has more of a texture to the material, and so it's not that it's not soft, but it has like the texture, so you can feel there's a texture to it, where this is very smooth. It doesn't really have a texture. It has a really nice feeling band too. This feels like it will be, oh yeah, you can tell this will be super, super comfortable. The tops I got in mediums. A lot of times I do like a medium in the top. But see, I do have hopefully this, I'm not stretching it at all. This is without any, so you guys, you see, I think that'll be good. Because add a little bit of stretch to kind of snug it there. This one seems to have a little bit more length than the other, and then some sort of little elastic on the sleeve. It's going to be interesting to see. I'm going to have to see how this looks on. Sometimes when things flow from my chest, and we're, you know, once I have my strapless bra and a regular bra, and I'm not kind of flat, I'm kind of pushed and flatted in right now, but once they're, you know, perked up like they should be, then sometimes tops like this will like drape from the chest, and then my waist is invisible, and I really like to show that. So it's really just going to depend on where that hits and how that looks on. The way it feels though feels really good, and I think that's blue and white is like, I mean, come on. Although this is gonna look good with it too. I just feel like this one's gonna look nicer with the white shorts. The romper. Let's see, I should tie this. I kind of twisted this so that the side moved over, and I shouldn't do that. So let's tie this. Got the pockets, like very relaxed, you know. Super relaxed. Feel like I can pull it off a little bit too if we're not showing the hanger things. It's really loose through here, but I mean, because there's this, I still feel like I get somewhat of like a waist. I'll have to review this and see what I think, because I'm not sure. Definitely feels good. So overall, I think I'll keep it just because it feels good. I think I'm going to keep everything anyway. I have nothing on underneath of this, and when I bend over, see it's still, that's bending over really far. And all I'm wearing is a bra, actually a strapless bra too, so that I can try on my other ones without changing. But like I said, I think this is, it's flattering, isn't it? For what it is, I'm really liking it. I feel like louder colors probably pop a little bit more than this navy on me because I'm tan right now, but it's nice. It's really nice. This tie is really cute, and it's hitting like just right, like at the top of the pants, which I like that. I like to show that. It drapes it down nicely in the back. I know I got stuff going on back here, but you know, I'm gonna wear what I want to wear, and people don't have to look. Body positivity, right? I feel like this is doing a lot. This one little tie. I told you I have no tie things in my closet, so yeah, this is cute. I'm liking this a lot. It feels really nice and flowy. I did say that I wanted things that I can like do basic tasks around the house and also look cute when I'm running errands and picking my kids up from school. Right, this is where I get confused, I think. Does this stay below my elbow? Like, do these sleeves go below the elbow, or are they supposed to go like above the elbow? You know what I'm saying? I guess you could probably do it either way. I think it's supposed to be down. Then does that kind of help hold this down? This is one that had this super comfy material, but I was unsure, like, to see that pattern and color is popping, isn't it? Girl, bye. All right, so let's think of my final thoughts on this first stitch fix, and we'll see a little more what they were saying about this. So, hi Ashley, welcome to the Stitch Fix family. I had so much fun styling for you for your very first fix. Thank you for filling out your style profile as that helped me select pieces for you today. I've included a variety of styles to learn more about what you love. At checkout, you will have a chance to provide feedback on each item's size, fit, style, price, and quality. This information allows me to send you better fixes over time. I've included a couple of off-the-shoulder tops for you to pair with our white can-can shorts and via blue wedges. Your Kaileigh romper is an effortlessly stylish piece that requires little to no accessories and additional styling. I like that. Are there any styles, colors you'd like to see in your upcoming fixes? If so, let me know in your request and I'll keep an eye out for them. XO, Nikwana. Oh, well, thanks, man. Nikwana rocked it, and I hope I'm saying her name. Nikwana, but she rocked it. Like, I will keep you, love you. I cannot believe that off of limited information, she like did a really good job picking out some fun patterns, stuff she knew I would love, and like, thank you, girl. Yes, I think we're this is gonna be the beginning of many, and hopefully she don't leave, because if she did this well with my first box, girl, I'm excited. I don't wanna keep like messing up her name. But let's see. It's not even focusing, is it? I don't know. Either way, beautiful name, and I just don't want to mess it up. And she did amazing. I'm super happy. I'm stoked to be a customer, or what would you say, a client that she's styling. I feel special having my own little stylist here.